Hello awesome people, welcome back to the channel. And today, finally, I'm going to do a Nokia 8800D. And I kind of like this. I kind of like this little animation. Yeah, I have this one with busted body shell that works. 2 buttons doesn't work, but maybe I can fix it. And I have this one with well, not in perfect condition used, but it's much more better than this one. So without further ado, let's begin. And right, so here's the phone. Like I said, in not too perfect condition. And the back button and the clear button doesn't work. I know it has a lot of talk towers, so yeah. Let's begin. I'm not gonna struggle to press the buttons because it's annoying. And this is how this one looks. Look at this beauty. I mean, yeah, it's still scratched, it's definitely used, but come on. Even the mechanism, oh my god, it's so fine. It's this one straight out of a horror movie. But yeah. Also I have a original Nokia battery here. So I've never disassembled one of these before, and I won't watch tutorials, otherwise what's the point of my channel? Well, technically you have to look at some documentation before disassembling this stuff, but I like to discover them on the way. Oh, they are too long, too short. I'm guessing the long ones go down. Oh my god. Dude, what's in this poor guy? Right. Oh my god. Well, I don't want to destroy this plastic part because it is paintable, you know. Finally. Yeah, it was glued. The charging port and the so-called data connector, I think. I don't know. Is this the... What's this? I think it... Oh, I dented. I think this might be the vibration rotor, I don't know. But, yeah. Okay. Managed to take it out by denting the pliers. Ooh. Did I damage the microphone? I don't think I damaged it, but either way. Actually, here are the clamps. What was in this thing? My god. This is how I remove it. And it's beefy. Nice. This is just like some sort of isolation. The power button, is it removable or is it glued here? Ah, it's glued here. With this mesh over the, I'm guessing is the speaker here? Actually, yeah, it's the loudspeaker. The genius me. Alright, big guy, now you. Well, if you look like this, I'm guessing this is the main board, and this looks like a connector here. Well, somewhat big connector. What happened here? This thing looks like it's melted. But as long as the phone works. So I think this is the main board, since I never disassembled one of these before. Oh, and this should come out like this. Yeah. I'm pressing this circuit down because it has these two I don't know what they are called in English. This is the metal part with the, oh my god, this is the email. It's in this thing. So all I have to do is to, yeah, unstick it. And this is the mechanism. Wow, nice solid mechanism we have here. Oh, and here are the other screws. This phone already had this metal plate pulled off of it. This metal plate, see, this one has it like this. It's still intact and it looks good. Even the camera is not dusty. Have to be careful when pulling it out. Why is that a weird reference? Guessing it's also glued, huh? Yeah. Pretty heavy, not gonna lie. And this is the button. What's your problem, boy? Oh my god, that's the problem. It got squashed here. You know what, I'm happy? That the main board is separate from the buttons. Oh my god, this is a blessing. There's not one of those main boards that has the buttons in them, you know, on them. Yeah, should have guessed. Side clamps. Ooh, no wonder it doesn't work correctly. Doesn't work correctly. Oh, here's the camera. Yeah. This is the display. If I'm too lazy, I can just take the main board out and that's it, but you know me. Come on, guys, you know me. This circuit is still good, so why keep it here? Oh my god, the type of connector. I do not like what I'm seeing, not one bit. Any connector at least, please tell me it has a connector. No connector, oh my god. And look at this, no freaking connector. And all this dust from it. This is just to cover the circuits, it's not a connector here. So I'm guessing when you buy this thing new, it comes with the camera and the flex cable and everything. This is the earpiece. Honestly, I'm hoping that on that phone it works. Because if it's not, then well, this was this disassembly. Oh my god, what's on my table? Get off, ew. Right, next, the beautiful one. There we go. Wow, well, this one is much more cleaner. This one is way better. I'm not going to disassemble that much. Oh, this thing just fell by itself. Not a problem. I'm not going to force this vibration motor out, not even the microphone nut. Maybe just the connectors here, the charging port. And oh, this is cracked here anyway, so I have to glue it. Yeah. Even this is much more cleaner. Good. I'll have to glue this, clean this, kiss this. This comes out the same. This one still has the protective thing. This one as well. Whatever, I'll have to take the email from that one. Well, these connectors are holding quite nicely. What happened to you, poor little mainboard? Out of curiosity. Just out of curiosity. Can I do something about this? Can I... Will the buttons work if I just put it like this? How does those guys on YouTube says? Does that actually work? Let's find out. Oh, great. The power button is here, so I have to put this back here. And it's mummy. This won't start anyway, huh? Oh, is it a button problem? I'm gonna laugh if it's a button problem. No. Why won't this thing work then? Whatever, let's just get back to cleaning. Come on, you beautiful fine metal plate. Well, since I managed to save the gluey part, why not just put it back, you know? This is gonna need a lot of cleaning. Oh, this has been opened before the screen is cleaned. In terms of aspect, this flex cable looks much more better, but the only problem with this one is that I don't know what happened. It remained pressed here? What the heck? Oh. Oh god. Well, I just have to try this out of pure curiosity. I'm putting the main board that doesn't work on this one. So this is the important connector, technically. What do you know? This main board actually works. The main board works. So it's a problem with this. You're the culprit. Oh my god. Oh, this comes off, okay, so that the fact that it's changeable, it's a good thing. You know that I'm going to try to fix this, right? Okay, it's out. The mechanism just needs some cleaning and lubrication, it will be good. But I have this one that's just much cleaner, so yeah. Taking this out as well. A lot of disassembly to be done on these phones. Huh, nice. What's broken, and is this thing here problems? I don't know what to think anymore. I want to take all of this and put it on the other one. Maybe it will work this way. Huh? Wait, what? Oh. So this is how it is. This thing needs to be soldered here, huh? Or it's just snapped and that's it. No, it's not soldered. Since it's damaged anyway and I don't care about it, I gave myself the permission to take it out by force, you know? Yeah. What I'm going to do next is this. And I have to be extra careful with this one since these things are unforgiving. Oh my god, the corrosion. Why though, bro? Why? Okay. What annoys me the most is the fact that the display is not removable. Oh. Why Nokia? Why? Yeah. I just have to use some contact cleaner on this thing without touching the display, which is going to be very hard. So, right, let me try something. This is a circuit or contact cleaner that I'm using. because it clearly needs it. Have some cleaner, normal cleaner. Let me try my luck with this now. Okay, clean the circuit. Now maybe, I hope it will work. I hope I put it correctly where it belongs. I don't know for sure, but I will find out, because I will test it before I completely assemble it. Right, I'm only showing this cleaning part because there are a lot of parts to clean, and I'm not going to waste your time, so I'll clean it and be right back with the assembly. Cleaned it as best as I could. A lot of work, not gonna lie, but it's looking great. Well, except for the scratches. Nothing else I can do about that. Maybe polish it, but even so, nah. On the first occasion I'm gonna change this middle part and that would be it. Yeah, lying to myself. Actually has to go through here. Something like this. Technically I'm putting everything back where it was originally. Well, it's clean outside, I can easily clean it outside. Something like this, let's see now. Wow, so easy to get dirty, on the outside. But looks good on the inside. That's all that matters. There we go. Something like this. Now that it's in place, every button is pressing correctly. Yay! Now I'm going to be gullible and believe that it will work fine. So I'm putting everything back to place as it should be. Hopefully it will work. This is the flex cable from the one that worked, not the one that looked better. Yeah. And I'm also keeping the main board from the one that wasn't turning on, because with this flex cable it was turning on. You know, and yeah, why not? And I also have the advantage that I'm keeping this part with the EMA of the main board. This phone is not hard to disassemble. Good, it's not pressing on it. Oh, here and here. Wow, looking nice already. Now I really am curious and hopeful that it will work. If not, I'll have to take the main board from the other one. That of course if it's a main board problem. Hey, now the screen, it's filthy now. Yeah, so it works, but the screen needs to dry because I've cleaned it a lot and I think moisture got in it. Right, so the phone wants to start. Cute. Back in its place, because I sticked it to clean it properly, and you know how that is. Okay. This on one hand, then this thing. Oh, come on. Come on, don't do me like that or else I'll get angry and eventually change you. I even cleaned these buttons because they needed to be cleaned. This needs to be slided from the top to the bottom. Okay, and then pressed down here, and that should be it. If I do remember correctly, and I am remembering correctly, the shorter screws are up. The shorter screws are up. Here. I'm not begging it. The feeling is still smooth. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I need to leave the screen, let the screen dry. What? Let me check if it has personal photos. This looks a bit weird. Oh, it's not weird, okay. The buttons work. He. Oh. 533. It's less than the other mainboard anyway. So this is the Sirocco. Actually, let me check the camera. It's working! Wait. This mainboard is also good. Boy. Oh wait. I will press that. I'm confusing these buttons to these buttons. My god, the buttons are pressing so nice. I like it. I'm happy. I'm also going to let the screen dry. Let's lock it up, and in order to do that, technically I have to take the screen off. This is one way to do it. I'm trying to put it in a way to not get it dirty anymore. Let me quickly cover it with this thing. I can't, it's dusty, whatever. I'm gonna go dry this and be right back. I dried it, but it's the best I can do since, well, it's deep inside these layers. I mean, it was literally boiling hot. What more can I do? Let's do it like this then. Yeah, good enough. It's a bit ugly, but what can I do? Let me use this steam. And now it's not that noticeable anymore. Yeah. This is how it shall remain. Well, in the end I'm 90% happy with what I did. The display, it's a bit disappointing, but if you look at it like this, you won't see any difference. Luckily. Camera dirty. Me no like it dirty. Camera cleany. I wanted this phone for a while, and now it's in my paws, in my grasp, full of dust. Yeah. So I hope you find this video useful, in case you want to disassemble your own or also have button problems. You can just, if you don't have this, you can just unstick it and clean yours. And this one of mine was very corroded. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up please. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed my content. It helps me a lot and it's awesome. And see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. 8800 Sirocco, baby.